At Tiempo Soccer Academy, we help young children thrive. Meet the parent and kids who've experienced the difference our coaching makes.
Hi, my name is Soraya. I'm here with my kids.
Hi, my name is Milania. I am 11 years old, and I've been doing soccer for 1 year.
Hi, my name is Alexis. I'm 11 years old. I've been doing soccer for 1 year as well.
We've been doing Tiempo Soccer now for about a year, and when the girls started, they were struggling with ball control, and dribbling and shooting the ball. And since, it's been a year, they've gotten better dribbling and more confident with ball control. So they actually love the game more, gotten better. So very happy with Tiempo Soccer, and I believe it's a good fit for other players to join, and they get better physically and they actually develop skills. So I definitely recommend Tiempo Soccer.
Thank you for watching. Join the Tiempo Soccer family and see the difference expert coaching can make.